Hello guys, so this is our sign language glove. The purpose of this glove is for hearing impaired people who use sign language. And as you can see, we have linear pods over here which act as flex sensors. So what happens is when these fingers are bent, it takes these resistance values from the bending action. So now we are going to go to our database. So what's happening is this is connected via Bluetooth to this laptop, and all this data is transmitted to the PyCharm code. And what's happening is that after it's transmitted to the Python code, we have a machine learning algorithm which does the comparisons. So our first is a null class, and we have defined this to output nothing when no fingers are bent. As you can see, the hand is at rest, so it should output nothing when it is at this state. And then we have recorded simple letters like T, we have L, and then we have A, we have H, and then we have recorded two phrases which are my name is, and the second one is Talha. So now we are going to run this code and we are going to explain what's happening. So first it will ask us for the destination language, and that's because the output is always speech. So we can define the language of the output language. We can define the language of the output speech because we are using Google Translate. So this glove can output in any language, for example, German, Polish, French, etc. So for this demo, we are simply going to use English. We are going to write EN, and we're going to take the close hand values. And now we're going to take the open hand values. So the purpose of taking close hand and open hand values is because everybody has different finger sizes, and obviously the bending action of the hand is going to be different for different people. So what this does is it takes a minimum and a maximum, and what it does is it calibrates the minimum and maximum values from 0 to 90 for each hand. So now what we are going to do is we are going to simply say my name is Talha.
My name is Talha.
And now we are going to spell Talha.
T. A. L. H. A.
Okay, so now that we have spelled Talha, we are going to record a new sign. So now we are going to display another feature of this glove which allows us to record signs. So what I'm going to simply do is I'm going to press the R key on my keyboard, and what this will do is it's going to take me to the record feature. So now we are going to record a simple gesture C, and it will look like this, which is basically somewhat of a claw. So I'm going to write C over here, and I'm going to press enter, and it will ask us for doing this gesture for 10 seconds. And that's because we are trying to fill up our Excel sheet with some data so that our machine learning algorithm has enough data to function. So we have chosen a value of 10 seconds, and I'm going to press R to continue, and now it's recording. As you can see, these are the values of the finger resistances for this sign. Yeah, and now it's outputting C. We have gone back to the null class, and it's outputting C again.
C.
Okay, so that wraps up our recording feature.